Hi, in this video we are going to see the mega recruitment from the multiple colleges as well as central government institute also. So here the opportunities are there for the graduates and as well as the postgraduates and for the PhD candidates also. So UGCNET is not at all required to the vacancies whatever I am going to show you right now. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them guys. And please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon to get the more notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGCNET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So here you may check down in the Indian Institute of Management Bangalore, that is IIM. You may check down the different vacancies are there. Pedagogical Research Associate, Academic Associate Marketing, and Academic Associate DS, Research Associate, okay, and the Copy Editor. Fine. So these are the different vacancies are there from the IIM Bangalore guys. So if you want to check any one of these things, then just click on that one. Then one pop-up will be directed here. So you may check down the qualifications, okay, and whatever the duties you have to do. Okay, so all these things will be displayed here. Educational qualification and experience. Candidate should be first class graduate from a reputed university, should have minimum 2 years of experience, and the domains are also given here. Okay, and how much amount of compensation will be get. Okay, and the remaining things are also given here. You may check down guys. And coming to the Academic Associate Marketing. Okay, so this post dated on April 22nd, 2021, and qualifications required are candidates are required to hold a master's degree in business administration with marketing specialization. PhD is a preferable, it is not mandatory here. Okay, so the candidates who are having the MBA, then you may apply guys. And coming to the stipend, an all-inclusive monthly emoluments in the range of 30,000 rupees to 36,000 rupees per month you will get. Apart from this one, you are also going to get the additional house rent allowance, that is 8,000 rupees per month based on the educational qualifications and the experience of the applicant. And the annual increment also will be there based upon the performance. And coming to the duration, initially for a period of 1 year and extendable up to 3 years based on the performance. Okay. And application procedure. Candidates meeting all the above mentioned requirements, you have to apply online by visiting the official website. So it is only the official website guys. First you have to register here. After registering, you have to fill up few details, and you will be provided with the login email as well as a password. So with the help of both these two, you have to log in and then start filling up of the application form for any one of these vacancies guys. Okay, and coming to the Academic Associate, okay, F&A, you may check down here the qualifications and experience. Postgraduate degree in management, accounting, commerce, finance, economics, statistics, and other related disciplines. Desirable candidates with experience of working in academic and research organizations. And you are going to get 30,000 to 36,000 rupees plus monthly 8,000 house rent allowance also you will get. Okay, so really it is a very good opportunity guys. So please once go through all these vacancies whatever mentioned here. So coming to the copy editor, here the last dates are also mentioned. Okay, so it is a copy editor or else the Center for Teaching and Learning IMB. So what are the major duties and responsibilities you have to do, and whatever the key skills, educational and experience. The candidate of minimum should be graduate in English, journalism, communication or related field. Graduate in other related disciplines including management may also be considered. Fine. So these are the things guys. I will provide this PDF link in the, this website link in the description box of this video. So you may check down. The last dates are also mentioned here. Okay, so please share this video to your, friends or colleagues who belongs to the MBA department guys. It will be very much helpful to them. And the next one is CBIT, that is Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. So here the faculty requirement is there. So recruitment notification for teaching as well as the non-teaching positions April 2021, and advertisement dated on 19th April 2021. Okay, so we will check down whatever the different vacancies or the positions are there here, and you may check down. So the Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. applications are invited for the following post on contract basis. So adjunct faculty for all engineering branches, and the non-teaching vacancies are, very huge number of non-teaching vacancies are there, guys. So you may check down here. Total 28 different types of vacancies are there, and for all this one, okay, whatever the last date for all this one, the last date to apply is 8th May 2021. Okay, it is the last date, guys. So for the application for that one, you have to visit the official website, and from the official website you have to apply for this post, guys. And the qualifications for the whatever the different positions I shown you right now, the qualifications for this one, okay, you will get in this PDF, guys. So let us check. Yeah, so for the adjunct faculty qualifications, shall be faculty retired from the technical institution or else person or of eminence with PhD qualification of at least 10 to 15 years of experience. Okay, it is adjunct faculty. And coming to the non-teaching post, CEO, the qualifications are given, roles and responsibilities are given, and a young professional, engineering graduate with the MBA and 2 to 4 years of experience. Okay, and coming to the marketing coordinator, bachelor's degree in marketing, advertising or communications. And coming to the administrative coordinator, first class MBA or CS from recognized university. And roles and responsibilities are given here, so you may check down, guys. So I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, so you may check down carefully. Accounts officer, what is the qualification required? So like that, here the so many vacancies are there. Okay, so I will provide this this website link in the description box of this video. So please go through this notification in detail. So you will get the notifications or advertisement for the graduates or postgraduates. And coming to the next one is Jaipur National University, guys. Okay, so here they are asking to drop your CV, upload your resume. So first I will show you whatever the departments are there here. So academics, School of Engineering and Technology, Computer and System Sciences, Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Social Sciences, Pharmaceutical Sciences, Fashion Designing, and Business and Management, Education, Language, Literature, Life and Basic Sciences, Media Studies, Law, Governance. Okay, so these are the different branches are there. So if you belongs to any one of this branch with post graduation, then upload your resume here, guys. Okay, and apart from this one, here the few more vacancies as well as the last date is also mentioned here. So applications are invited for deputy registrar, assistant registrar, and the administrative officer. So for the registrar, what is the qualification required, and for the deputy registrar or assistant registrar or administrative officer, post graduation or graduation with 5 to 7 years of experience. And coming to the personal assistant or office assistant or data entry operators, graduate with 2 to 3 years of experience and good communication skill, and deputy COE and examination in charge. Okay, these vacancies are there. And apart from this one, here the personal assistants or office assistants or data entry. Okay, so this one. So these are the vacancies are there right now, and the application last date is May 10th, 2021. So here you have to apply online, okay, through the official website itself. I will provide the link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so apart from these vacancies, whatever I shown previously, okay, the candidates who belongs to all these departments, okay, you may send your resume, guys, because they provide that opportunity also, upload your resume. Fine. And while coming to the next one is Indus University. So from this university also, here few vacancies are announced. Okay, you may check down. Marketing manager qualification, MBA with first class and 5 to 10 years of experience in education sector. And the next one is Indus Design School invites application for the faculty positions in communication design, interior design, product design, and fashion design. So here the professor associate as well as the assistant professor and teaching assistant vacancies are also there. And the application last date is the 15th May 2021. So all the interested candidates, okay, apply through the official website itself. Okay, here apply now is there. So you have to apply through this official website only, guys. Apply now. And here the contact numbers are also mentioned here, and the mail ID is also mentioned. Okay, so I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. You may check down. Apart from this one, here the one more vacancy is also there, that is data analyst. Okay, so invited for the application of a data analyst. Okay, only one post is there, duration is 3 years, and the qualification is masters in CSC or CE or IT or similar areas, and you are going to get 1,30,000 rupees per annum. So the interested candidates may send your detailed resume on or before 7th May 2021 to this mentioned mail ID. Okay. And the last one is National Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhubaneswar. So from this one, the vacancy is there. So that is regarding the scientific assistant C. Okay. So the last date is 31st May 2021. And for sending the hard copy of applications is 10th June 2021. Okay. So here the clear application, the details are given here, guys. Okay. So you please once go through this one. Here the pay scale will be available up to 1,42,400 rupees per month you will get. Under the ST category, only one post is there. Okay, so all the interested candidates may apply. And coming to the essential qualifications, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science with minimum 60% of marks, having 4 years of experience after obtaining the requisite qualification. Okay, so I will provide all the links, whatever I shown you right now, in the description box of this video. So total from the 4 colleges, guys, one is the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Second one is the CBIT, Hyderabad. And next one is the Jaipur National University. Next one is the Indus University. And next one is the National Institute of Science Education and Research. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide